we back, and we back, and we back.
What's up, guys? It's your girl Jadetheleeder, and I'm back with another video bringing you vibes and DIYs. If it's your first time here, then welcome, subscribe, leave me a comment, stay well. If it's not your first time here, welcome back. Getting into the product, here's the product. I'm going to show it on the screen, but inside of it, it has the nail glue, the UV activated nail glue, the UV nail lamp, so you don't have to buy one of those, the USB that you need for it, 240 pieces of the coffin shaped nail tips, and then it has an application guide, so it'll tell you exactly how to put it on. And also, they didn't mention, but it has a nail file in the kit as well. So I'm going to show you how I did my own set. Here it says place on the nail tip slightly and press it so that all the air bubbles get out of it. What I did was I placed the glue at the back of the nail, and then I kind of wiped it off with the tip of the brush. And then when I put it on from the back, laying it towards the front like this. So I put it on from the back, and then I laid it towards the front like that. And that was the way that I made sure that it had no bubbles in it at all. And then I flash cured it, holding it in place like this. And then I cured it all. And after you do that once, you're literally going to want to do that 9 more times. Alright guys, that brings us to the end of our video. I hope you enjoyed it. Final thoughts on this product, I 1000% recommend it. Like, my nails look and feel so amazing. I've gotten so many compliments. People can't believe that I did it myself. If you want to purchase this product, I will leave a link in the bottom of the description. You can go ahead and purchase it there. Yeah guys, so that's the end of the video. Please stay tuned so you can get a preview for the next video. And if you guys like what you saw, subscribe, comment, like, hit the bell notification, all those things, and follow me on all my other social medias, all of which are Jadetheleeder. Alright, bye bye. When I get older, I will be stronger. They'll call me freedom, just like a waving flag.